guys, welcome to my latest listing at 807 Gray Fox in beautiful Clayton, an absolutely extraordinary property which I cannot wait to show you. This is one of the most desirable parts of Clayton. We are perched atop Keller Ridge next to the Oakhurst Country Club. Very nice. And more importantly, we're on a cul-de-sac. Private, safe, beautiful. And my favorite part, actually, is that it overlooks this gorgeous canyon. Oh, it's your front yard practically. Clayton is a charming town in the county of Contra Costa, just about an hour east of San Francisco. It's known for its darling downtown with the theater, lots of eateries, things to do, plenty of parks, outdoor space. It is just a marvelous area and very peaceful and known for its lovely schools. Beep beep, over here. Wrap around and check out this gorgeous courtyard. Oh, beautifully landscaped. It's an oasis. When you come home, you're gonna open the door and you're gonna be amazed. Oh, trust me. Welcome in. First thing you'll notice is when you walk the front door, you can see straight through the back. Very dramatic. Welcome to this beautiful open concept living room with these huge soaring ceilings. Like, they're literally twice my size, twice my height. Seriously. Now this leads straight into this glorious dining room, which leads straight to the backyard. Sun-drenched. Look at this light here, beautiful. And plenty of space to entertain for Thanksgiving, your roundabout dinners, and then you have this remodeled kitchen, all crisp and white. Breakfast counter. Oh, wake up every day making your breakfast to this gorgeous kitchen. Originally built in 1996, you wouldn't believe it. It's been completely reimagined for 2023. One of my favorite parts is this primary ensuite. It's huge. Tall ceilings, own fireplace, and separate entry out to the beautiful backyard. I'm coming out of the walk-in closet and straight into this remodeled bathroom. Ah, it feels like a spa in here. It's absolutely beautiful. So gorgeous, yes, just like me. The entire house is on a single story. Level in, super rare. We've got 2,543 square feet, 3 bedrooms plus a den/4th bedroom. I would be remiss if I didn't mention the property is on 1/3 of an acre of land, which includes this beautiful garden here. Talk about farm to table. Just grow your own herbs, your own fruits, enjoy your marvelous kitchen, and serve up a big old party for the yard behind me, which is plenty of space for lounging, entertaining, and green lawn. Oh. Well, there you have it. 807 Gray Fox in beautiful Clayton. Your little slice of Americana. Give me a ring anytime for a showing and I'll meet you right here. Bye.